welcome to Moving Meditations Equestrian Edition. Today, we're in the pasture. I know, shocking.
It's so windy today, let's just do a voiceover. I'm grateful for the time I have every morning when I go outside and move before I do anything else. This simple practice of taking care of my animals gets me in touch with the seasons and nature, and there are never 2 days alike. We are in the spring right now in North Idaho, and I'm grateful for this time to center myself, ground, and think about what the most important thing is for me to get done today after I do this moving meditation, this ritual that keeps me healthy, happy, and in touch with my life around me. Recently, I've lost some people in my life, and I'm thinking about bridges today. Sometimes you have to build a bridge. Other times you need to watch it burn. I'm saddened, but I don't stay in this state. I move forward, always forward, never looking back. A friend once told me I respond to need, and this is true. I go where I'm needed, and today my animals need me. They need me to be present, healthy, strong, and focused on what they need, on what we all need, and that, again, is to move forward.